perspective. We're also going to take the parapsychological phenomenon into consideration.
Which is sort of like the interrelationship or the interrelation between the conscious, the unconscious, emotions, personality, and motivation, goals, and drive. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream. You have cognitive behavioral therapy. Look at it from a parapsychological approach. All their flaws. So I found a couple hundred flaws in these algorithms, so I started writing. Invariably, no.
Transcribing is when you convert a composition to sheet music.
One is precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition. There's multiple.
Sound, what is amplitude, frequency, velocity, why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Extrasensory perception.
Momentum, what determines velocity.
You can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.
Historical devices is the power of persuasion.